welcome to today's Curiosities. Here we'll tell you about celebrities and royalty. Princess Leonor has already piloted an aircraft, and she did so solo without an instructor. This feat is part of her training for months of instruction as an ensign for the Air and Space Army. The princess took to the skies over the Mar Menor lagoon piloting the mother Pilatus PC-21 after completing the theory, simulator, and flight practice phases. The first solo flight marks a decisive step in her military career, ending her role as future head of the armed forces. The heir to the throne has demonstrated that she is prepared to assume high-level responsibilities. If you like the video, give it a like and share it with everyone. If you are new to the channel, subscribe with notification as I'll continue to talk about these topics. And as always, thank you very much to everyone for being there, and until the next video.